And I'm recording on my iPhone. Just a quick little audio clip. So 2021 is finally over. Definitely learned a lot this year. Definitely got more room to improve on. I especially want to improve my drawing skills, line work, coloring and stuff. But here's a little time lapse of me drawing my character Pumari. But yeah, just wanted to make this video. Tell everybody Happy New Year. 2022 is crazy. Came by fast. You went by fast, but next year I'm just hoping to learn more, be more productive, especially with content on YouTube and helping people on YouTube, creating content on YouTube and stuff like that, and just further improving my drawing skills. I think one of my biggest goals I want to do next year is just go and create some type of web comic I can work on, even if it's like a short story, something I can work on and just get that experience in. Because I've created web comics before, but nothing. I haven't finished anything, and that's what my main goal is for next year. To finish some type of web comic, write something, finish it, draw it, and publish it somewhere, either on my own website through Webtoon, something like that. But other than that, just for the YouTube channel, just make some cool videos that can help people learn how to draw, and hopefully entertain people as well with my stories and my artwork. So that's pretty much it for this little video. Just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody. Happy belated or Merry belated Christmas. Hopefully everybody's doing well. And thank you for 500 subscribers as well. That's pretty dope. But other than that, I'm excited for 2022. Excited to get back into the grind of everything, and yeah. So, peace.